I wish you a good day to you, and this is a unique experience that you all are facing, and for us also the first time that we are delivering the post-intern career development program through using the technology. I think it is very important for you to understand the concept behind this thing. That is, now you all have the successful career. You had all the privilege of going through a medical curriculum and ultimately becoming a medical graduate, and subsequently went through a lot of hardships to complete your internship, and with lot of experiences ultimately you got the full registration. Now you all are going to be doctors. Now in this context, when you are going to work in Sri Lanka, you have at least three main obligations to fulfill when you are going to serve as a doctor in our government service. That is, you will have clinical responsibilities which will be governed by the Sri Lanka Medical Council and so on and so forth. At the same time, you can't forget the fact that you are going to be a government officer, so you have the government obligations that you have to fulfill, and that will be ruled out to you or governed through the Health Ministry and Public Service Commission and so on and so forth. So your disciplinary procedures, your transfers, all this will matters from administrative point of view. Thirdly, you are legally also obliged. So your legal obligations will be dealt if you get into trouble. So therefore, all these three spheres have to be covered as a medical officer in the government service. At the same time, there are certain other aspects that you need to cover. That you have to develop yourself as a professional. So as a professional, so you have to look after your development in your clinical scenario as a clinician. At the same time, you have to be an academic because you are a scientific person in long run. And also the research, and then the teaching and training aspects had to be built up to you as a trainee first and then as a trainer. So all this material will have to be inbuilt by the time you go through the career and ultimately end your career as a successful career success doctor. That is how we want you to be seen, and ideally better than what we are doing at the moment. So in that context, when you are going to work towards that objective, it is very important that how you are going to manage yourself and your family and the relatives, and also how you are going to be a good person or citizen in the society. So when you are going to see your life through this career, it will be lot of spheres that you need to cover. So with that intention, we thought they have to survive within this scope. So therefore, we have developed a special program. We call it a survival guide or survival program for you to go through this kind of lectures and other kind of training in this entire program. So this program is developed by us with the view that this will really benefit you, but we always admit the fact, since this is a newly developed program, there can be lot of gaps that you will detect and will be able to improve. I think you will understand the fact that this is the career development, and looking after your peers and the next generation is part of your responsibility. As we do things to improve yourself and to help you all, you have obligation to look after the upcoming or juniors below you. So therefore, to sustain and to stabilize as a medical professionals in this country too, and with the long objective that to stand above all the world, or at least in the region, as the best doctors are in Sri Lanka, to hear that. So with that aim, we have, with that vision, we have got involved in this kind of activities. So therefore, I think we'll understand this kind of responsibilities and the accountability that we are carrying out, thinking that we will do better than us. So with that view, you will be able to give your feedback in order to improve this program, and not only giving just the feedback, but to get involved in this kind of programs and to share your skills, experience and all the competencies that you have for a better tomorrow. And not only that, that kind of activities can be documented, and that can be activities can be listed in the GMOA fora and also in the SRI website, and that can be included into your career, especially to your CV and to the portfolio, and that can be carried forward when you are going for your foreign training and other kind of international experiences where you are going to share in time to come. So with all this view, I wish you all the success and hope you will enjoy this program, and you will give good feedback, and you will join this kind of programs and contribute and innovatively develop this kind of programs in future for us to do a better job and to have our medical professionals in Sri Lanka as the world's best medical professional in the world. With that view, I wish you all the success. Thank you.